Yeah.
It's nice to see you all. I hope you are in a healthy conditions. Nggak apa-apa ya. It's okay. Sebentar. Ya. So sorry ya, I'm in the middle of meeting. Thank you for being on time. It's already recorded. Yeah, today this is our last synchronous meeting ya. Whether next meeting we have asynchronous meeting with the theme having an interview. Now we'll have a topic related with writing a CV, but before that, I will introduce to you all. Ya, saya akan perkenalkan ini the beautiful lady that's already here, that already mentioned in the comment ya, Stella Maris Siana Lucy. She will accompany us ya in teaching and learning process in this 14 meeting ya related with the writing a CV. I hope you are all being cooperative. Yeah, thank you for your willingness here. Welcome, Mbak Stella.
Hello, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So later on, the class will be yours. So you will be in charge. I will give the time, the floor for you. Yeah, you can start the meeting, Mbak Stella. Selamat mengikuti pembelajaran dengan Mbak Stella ya.
Ya,
Thank
Pak.
you, sir. Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sis. Miss.
Okay.
Stella.
Please open your camera. Okay, thank you. And my name is Stella Marisiana Lucy, and you can call me Miss or Mbak or Stella, up to you. And I'm a sixth semester. Now I'm study to teach junior class. Okay, enjoy the class. And the first, I will give you one video, and please, okay, wait. Okay, friends, can you see the video? Hello?
Yes. Ya, Miss. Kelihatan.
Okay.
Congratulations. What? This is your reception. When did you get married?
I am not getting married. This is the front desk. What do you want?
I'm looking for a job. I read in the newspaper that there is an interview being held.
Yes. Take a right and go to the third room on the left.
Thank you. Congratulations once again, huh? Next. Please take a seat. What are you doing?
Taking the seat, sir. You're sitting on a chair. Are you the chairman?
Just sit on a chair. What will you have?
A job?
I meant tea or coffee. Forget it. What is your name?
It's Supandi.
Good. And Supandi, are you single?
Yes. But the lady outside is married. She has a reception.
Okay. Do you have any hobbies? Do you play sports or games?
I love playing games. One game I like is hide and seek. 1, 2, 3. Not my turn.
What is wrong with you? I don't want to play the game right now. Come back here.
Sorry.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time?
Sir, I see myself being 5 years older.
Do you think this is a joke?
No, sir. This is an interview. This is a joke. Why did the chicken cross the road?
What is wrong with you? How do you expect this interview to work out?
Sir, I have to work out in an interview. I didn't know. Otherwise, I would have got my gym clothes.
Out!
Huh? Who got out? Is there a cricket match?
Please leave. Passport just got taken. We don't have a vacancy.
You gave me the last spot? So kind of you, sir. I will join from tomorrow. Everyone, go home. I got the last opening.
You fool! Leave this office before I call the police!
Oh, we are playing Chor Police. 1, 2, 3. Not my turn.
Okay, friends, I will ask you before you watch the video, what the meaning of the discussion in the video? Friends, can you answer my question? Anyone? You can use in bahasa or you can mix bahasa. Hello friends, and gini aja ya bahasa Indonesia ya. Apa persyaratan pertama yang kita serahkan pada saat melamar pekerjaan? Pasti teman-teman, antara teman-teman yang di sini pernah kan melamar pekerjaan atau pernah membuat persyaratan untuk melamar pekerjaan. Menurut teman-teman, apa sih yang pertama kita buat, kita serahkan, berkas yang kita serahkan pada saat melamar pekerjaan?
CV.
Berkas.
That's right.
CV.
Kurikulum vitae, Mbak.
Okay.
Mbak.
Okay, thank you for your answer my question, and I will share the material. Okay, can you see? Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Now you will learn about making a CV. And what is CV? Okay, the term curriculum vitae comes from the Latin curriculum, course, and vitae. Okay, sorry, vitae, life, the course of one life. Curriculum vitae or CV, also written curriculum vitae, or curriculum vitae is a document that provides an overview of the person, experience, and other qualification. In some countries, CV is usually the main think potential worker encourage there about a job seeker and is often use the screen application. People will apply boldly when looking for a job, usually followed by an interview. Jadi teman-teman, curriculum vitae are usually the main thing prospective workers encounter about job seeker and are often used to screen application. And then, how important is a CV? The first, you give chance to evaluate yourself and is to screen candidate for interview and is the first introduction to the interviewer and the last explain your complete background. Okay, so friends, CV is very important when we apply for jobs, and from CV interviewer can access the quality of prospective workers. Okay, sorry. And then component of CV, you can include style, the layout, formatting, and heading you use, content, all good stuff about you, and positive point of argument, how and why you meet their requirements. Okay. In CV selection, you include the first personal information. Number 2, educational qualification. Number 3, employment histories. Number 4, personal interest. And number 5, skill, and the last, reference. Okay, and CV section, what inside the number 1, personal information. Number 2, include your name. And number 3, for address. And number 5, telephone numbers. And number 4, email address. Educational qualification. The first list both academic and non-academic quality and chronological order, giving grades. And number 2, name of institution you're passing. Berarti pada saat teman-teman membuat daftar CV, teman-teman akan membuat daftar kualifikasi akademik dan non-akademik dalam urutan kronologi memberikan nilai. Lalu jangan lupa teman-teman akan menyantumkan institusi dan tahun kelulusan. Oke. Okay, and then please anyone, can you read the text? Hello, friends.
Hello, Miss.
Can you read the text?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Please anyone read the text. Tolong teman salah satu siapa yang mau baca teksnya, silakan.
Me.
Okay.
Employment history, beginning with your most recent job, include company name, your job title, duration of employment, reason for leaving. Give a brief outline of the company you work with, which will help give more relevance to the experience you've gained. Under each position, briefly outline your responsibilities, but focus on what you have achieved in the role. Do not omit any period of employment or unemployment for whatever reason, as this may prove awkward at interview. Thank you.
Oke, thank you. Jadi teman-teman, untuk employment history itu adalah riwayat pekerjaan sebelumnya. Jadi yang harus dicantumkan dalam riwayat pekerjaan ini dimulai dengan pekerjaan terakhir Anda. Lalu teman-teman akan menyertakan nama perusahaan, jabatan teman-teman sebelumnya pada saat pekerjaan pertama, lalu durasi pekerjaan teman-teman selama 1 tahun atau 2 tahun, begitu. Terus alasan teman-teman berhenti bekerja. Lalu teman-teman akan memberikan garis besar singkat tentang perusahaan tempat Anda bekerja yang akan membantu memberikan lebih banyak relevansi dengan pengalaman yang Anda peroleh. Setelah itu, di setiap posisi, jelaskan singkat tanggung jawab teman-teman, fokus pada pencapaian teman-teman pada pekerjaan yang teman-teman lamar. Selanjutnya, skill. Skill. The first computer skill starts the program, and language skill. Mention your mother tongue and other language, and interest. The first list your interest, but do not generalist. And for example, it stands for simply saying football. You could expand and say that you have played for a local club for the last 4 years and are now treasury overs for the club. Di bagian ini teman-teman akan mempelajari apa aja sih yang nggak penting ditulis dalam membuat CV, yaitu pertama itu number 1, avoid folding your CV. Berarti hindari melipat CV. Number 2, don't include irrelevant information atau informasi yang tidak relevan seperti previous salary and and unprofit awards, prize and publication atau gaji sebelumnya, penghargaan tanpa bukti atau hadiah dan publikasi. And number 3, say what you did, not what you think. Berarti katakan apa yang Anda lakukan, bukan apa yang kita pikirkan. And number 4, personal information atau material status, religion, the health, narrative place, age. Berarti teman-teman tidak perlu mencantumkan agama atau status perkawinan atau kesehatan atau asal tempat dan lain-lain sebagainya. Lalu number 5, avoid unusual font size. Berarti teman-teman hindari ukuran font yang tidak biasa, seperti misalnya teman-teman nulis tulisan indah atau tulisan ABG zaman sekarang itu ya pokoknya tulisan yang mungkin tidak formal begitu. Lalu number 6, avoid repeating information atau hindari pengulangan informasi. Lalu 7, avoid personal pronouns atau teman-teman hindari kata ganti seperti saya, mungkin sama ya, I, my, me, seperti itu. Berarti don't outsource, do it yourself. Berarti jangan outsourcing lakukan sendiri. Oke. Next. Oke. CV writing tips atau tips menulis CV. Jadi yang pertama, focus on the job you want. Berarti fokus pada pekerjaan yang teman-teman inginkan. Number two, emphasis on achievement and result. Jadi teman-teman penekanan dan pencapaian dan hasil. Number three, easy to read design and language. Berarti desain dan bahasa yang mudah dibaca. Number four, mistakes are unforgivable. Berarti kesalahan ejaan tidak bisa dimaafkan. Misalnya teman-teman saat menulis CV, mungkin teman-teman typo atau salah menulis huruf dan angka dan sebagainya, itu sangat fatal ya teman-teman. Jadi jika teman-teman nanti melamar pekerjaan itu bakalan sama interviewers. Oke, begitu ya teman-teman. And then number 5, education or employment first. Berarti pendidikan atau pekerjaan yang sebelumnya teman-teman raih. And 6, verify every statement. Berarti hitung setiap pertanyaan. And the last, ask someone to review your CV. Berarti minta seseorang untuk meninjau atau merevisi CV teman-teman sebelum teman-teman menyerahkan berkas-berkas teman-teman. Gitu. Sampai di sini teman-teman ada pertanyaan tidak? Teman-teman bisa menggunakan English or Indonesian, no problem. Jika tidak ada pertanyaan, mungkin saya lanjutkan. Pertanyaan tidak?
Mau bertanya.
Iya, silakan.
Yang di bagian component of CV kayaknya.
Component of CV. Oh,
Bukan, Deng. Yang jangan mengulang kata I, me.
oh, number 7 ya.
Right, ya. Oh, nomor
Oke.
7.
Oke, maksudnya begini. Dalam penulisan CV itu kita menggunakan kata-kata yang mungkin formal. Misalnya teman-teman menulis, saya pernah mengambil, atau begini, saya pernah mengikuti HMPS, misalnya ESA ya, kalau di prodi saya ESA. Lalu teman-teman juga mengulang, saya pernah mengambil bla 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 dan semacamnya itu. Jadi untuk menulis CV ini teman-teman harus menggunakan kata yang formal. Jadi jangan memperbanyak pengulangan kata. Terima kasih. Ya, sama-sama. Ada yang ingin bertanya lagi? Hello everyone. Are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Tidak ada yang mau bertanya. Oke, saya akan melanjutkan. Baik, teman-teman, apakah bisa melihat? Oke, baik. Ini adalah contoh CV yang English ya, teman-teman. Jadi, usahakan kita mencantumkan dalam CV itu foto, lalu nama, education, lalu skill teman-teman, lalu kontak detail, lalu project experience teman-teman, lalu apa aja sih yang pernah teman-teman raih sebelum teman-teman melamar pekerjaan. Kalau misalnya kita mahasiswa, mungkin kita pernah mengikuti lomba atau mengikuti organisasi dalam kampus, seperti itu, teman-teman. Dan untuk yang Indonesia, mungkin itu nggak jauh berbeda, cuman bahasanya aja. Seperti itu. Okay, the next, I will give you one practice, make a CV with Canva. Teman-teman sebelumnya pernah menggunakan Canva atau ngedit foto atau membuat CV dan lain-lain atau mengedit poster? Teman-teman pernah menggunakan Canva?
Pernah, Miss.
Pernah,
Oke.
Miss.
Oke. Jadi sekarang saya akan minta teman-teman untuk membuat CV menggunakan Canva. Oke, sebentar ya teman-teman. Oke. Di sini teman-teman bisa langsung mencari CV. Oke, di sini langsung ada contoh dan mungkin kita bisa menggunakan template punya orang lain. Oke. Teman-teman udah ada yang membuka Canva? Halo
Mana,
everyone.
Kak?
Teman-teman ada yang sudah buka Canva?
Sudah, Kak.
Oke. Sini teman-teman akan membuat Canva ya, teman-teman. Membuat CV dengan Canva. Teman-teman sambil berjalan ya. Kalau misalnya ada pertanyaan boleh ditanyakan.
Okay, Mbak Stella, do you want to guide them in making CV or resumes in Canva, or wait for the response first?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can go to the activity if you want to guide them in making Canva, maybe a samples in one part. Okay, while waiting for others, maybe I will make another activity, yeah, while waiting for it. Yeah, thank you, Mas Rico, and maybe for the rest have already opened the Canva. In Canva or making a CV in resumes later on, what is the purpose of reference? If you have seen the CV part, CV section, there is reference. Can anyone answer what is the purpose, the aim of resumes in reference? Tujuannya apa? Nulis reference itu di CV. Ada yang mau menyampaikan pendapatnya tadi? Mungkin stop screen sharing dulu, Mbak. Biar kita ya dari teman-teman di kelas ini mungkin yang mau menyampaikan fungsi dari reference itu apa di CV. Mungkin kalau yang working experience tadi sudah academic atau part yang done or do tadi Mbak Ketut juga sudah menanyakan kan. Maksudnya repetition, avoid personal pronoun. Nah, sekarang reference. Ini penting loh. Nanti saya ingatkan highlight. Kenapa kita harus nulis reference di CV? Untuk teman-teman besok, kalau pas lulus atau mau part-time juga boleh, mau melamar gitu kan. Why? We need to write a reference. Untuk reference itu untuk
Izin menjawab, Pak.
monggo, Mbak
Untuk
Santi.
Untuk mengetahui karakter, skill, dan performa dalam bekerja.
Oke. Oke, terima kasih ya, Mbak Santi. Ada yang menambahi reference? Tadi Mbak Santi secara umum CV secara umum atau referensinya? Mengetahui dengan cara apa? Gitu ya.
Secara umum, Pak.
Secara umum ya. Oke, ada yang mau menambahkan? Thank you ya Mbak Santi ya.
I would like to answer
David.
the question before.
Yeah.
So basically, you were asking for the content of the CV reference.
Mhm.
So basically, it's for the content information that you are recruiting professionals so that they can coach for your character, skills, and work performance. I think that's the common function of the reference.
Yeah, thank you Mas David ya. To complete what Mbak Santi's statement ya. Confirmation. Can you remember once again ya? Confirmation. Yeah, we know a CV in general, but who knows that this is a lying? It's a lie. He or she didn't work there. Something like that. Yeah. So to make a validation with confirmation, we need to check with those reference. Ini dulu atasannya yang ditulis siapa? Oh, Agustinus Haristiawan. Bisa saya telepon, bisa saya hubungi lewat kontak email, misalnya seperti itu. Meyakinkan. Kalau dulu misalnya, previously, is David Xavier working there during this one? Have worked there since this one till this one. Kalau misalnya masih bekerja ya, using past present continuous gitu kan, Pak ada continuousnya. Kalau enggak ya past perfect gitu ya, sudah berakhir gitu. Nah, seperti itu bisa we can do checking. Misalnya tentang academic. Nah, academic biasanya ada for those who are graduated from university ya, bachelor degree, we can check to misalnya di data kementerian ya, di PDDikti gitu bisa dicek. Tapi kalau tentang pekerjaan, working experience, we can check it through that one ya, reference. Thank you ya, it's message clear. Saya CCP itu Mbak Stella ya, supaya jangan sampai yang ditulis-tulis tadi kelupaan nulis reference to make a validations related with what you have done, what you have got so far in working experience, in educational background. Okay, you can continue, Mbak Stella. Ada Mbak Stella aktivitinya? Kalau enggak bisa di close.
Saya rasa sudah, Pak.
Okay, if there is no activity, For ASN 5, jadi teman-teman kan masih ada satu ASN lagi yang perlu dinilai adalah nanti you need to make a CV with your own design, ya, with your own necessity, with your own plan. Maybe imagine if you were an applicant that want to apply in this company, about the requirements, the company, and extra, it depends on you. Yeah, and then because what's that? The activity will be given, yeah, for your ASN. Maybe, yeah, next week. That's the deadline. Yeah, you can take a look on the assignment. Then what is that? You can submit your own design. It's free, yeah. It's free for the context. Means the company, means what the minimum requirements, but you need to imagine that you are graduated from Mercubuana, ya, Universitas Mercubuana Yogyakarta. Nah itu. Jadi tugas untuk ASN 5 adalah menulis CV untuk disubmit dengan desain dari teman-teman sendiri. Ya, intinya yang do, don't, and the CV components are important to be mind. Jadi yang diperhatikan itu tadi. Tapi kalau desainnya nanti bisa bebas teman-teman imajinasi, misalnya sudah lulus dari Mercup E1, lalu mendaftarnya di requirement ini, personal experience-nya ini, working experience-nya ini, silahkan, you can create it. Kami akan menilai dari unsur bahasa dan kesesuaian dengan komponen-komponen CV-nya. Gitu ya teman-teman, ada pertanyaan? Ya, CV about you to apply a job. Jadi kita membuat CV tentu ada sesuatu tujuannya, ya. CV personal kita untuk melamar pekerjaan. No need to write a letter. Tidak usah menulis surat lamaran pekerjaan, ya. Hanya langsung ke CV saja. Desainnya macam-macam. For example, someone, ya, in this class do not have a working experience yet. It's okay. You can create for your imagination. Boleh imagine. Mengandai-andai, nggak apa-apa. Kalau saya pernah bekerja di sini sampai sini, harus ada durasinya dan sebagainya. Itu boleh untuk latihan saja. Ya. Oke. After Mas Riko, is there any other questions? Ada pertanyaan lain? Kalau tidak, kita tutup presensinya berdasarkan rekaman ini ya. So far, I have observed that all of you have already used your real name. Okay, thank you, Mbak Stella. Already accompany them in learning, yeah, the materials related with writing a CV. And thank you once again for all of the students in this class. We have 31 students that come in this class. Yeah, I really appreciate that. Then next week we will have asynchronous. Besok ada materi tentang having an interview, tetapi asynchronous ya. Jadi terima kasih. Mungkin ini asynchronous yang terakhir. Besok kita sisipi dengan pertemuan terakhir asynchronous. You are obliged to watch the video. Okay, thank you very much. We're close. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, teman-teman ya. Sampai jumpa.